everyone, I'm Kelsey from Wearable Whisperer, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Fitbit Inspire 2. So here's the outside of the box. We got the front, the first side, the back, and the other side. And as you can see here, I ordered the black case plus Lunar white band. So on the back here, there's an easy way to unbox. There's a little tab here with the Fitbit logo. I'm just going to rip that and pull down here. Got another Fitbit logo, slide that out. I'm actually going to turn it back over. And there we go. That's the inside of our box here. It says, welcome to the Fitbit family. If you're new to Fitbit, download the app and create an account. If you have an account, tap your account icon to get set up. I'll also have a video showing how to set this up if you'd rather follow along with me. Check it out in the description below. So here is the tracker. Let's take off this. And kind of a shiny screen there. I like that. The band feels really nice and soft. It's made of a silicone material. And I'll show off the back here. See the heart rate sensor, and these gold pins are where you line up the charging cable. And here we have the quick release for changing the bands. So I'll actually show that later. And I'll put this to the side. Looks like we have a little arrow here telling us there's more underneath. I just heard a little vibration, so it is giving us some feedback here on what to do. We'll do that later again. And looks like we have our charger and band along with some product information in several languages. So let's see. Might actually need a scissors for the first time. Alright, I'll get a scissors. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. And we got the charger and the extra band here. So first we'll look at the charger. Take this off so you can get a feel for the length of the charger. So there's the charging length. Looks to be, I don't know, roughly 10 inches-ish. I do have a ruler here. 11 inches, so I was only off by one. So we got an 11-inch length charger from end to end. One side is the USB type A. You can plug that into any low power energy source, such as a computer or a USB adapter. And then on the charger, we have the gold charging pins, which align with the gold charging pins on the Fitbit itself. Interesting. Okay, so it's not magnetic like I initially thought. You actually do have to push the charger to snap onto the back, but it does fit onto the back there like that. And then, not sure how you get it off. This is a new type of charger. I might have to look that one up. I'm going to have to look that one up. I don't want to break it. So, if you need to change a band, it's going to be hard with the charger on. So, let me go look that up. Alright, so for the first time ever, I've actually had to look up how to remove the charger. And apparently, you just have to slide your fingernails, hopefully yours are longer than mine, and between the tracker and the charger, and then just gently pull. So, you do have to give it a little bit of a force, but I did just want to look up the instructions and make sure I wasn't going to break anything. You'll see here that there's some, I don't know, grips on the side that match up with these top and bottom portions of the tracker. So again, you just kind of shove it on until you hear that snap, and then it's not magnetic. You do have to use your fingernail and put a little bit of force, not too much. But if you didn't know what you were doing, you might think you're going to break it. So you're not going to break it, just pull down with a little bit of force. Alright, so that's the charger. Here's the screen just to show you a little bit, if you can see that with my lights. I'll do a better job of showing you the screen later. But again, just to show you real quick, this band is really nice and soft feeling. I like that. So we have the small band installed. So this top side will always be there no matter if you use a small or large size. But you can see that the large size band is a little bit larger, a few extra notches. So if you need to change your band, you just take the little pin here, push it down, and slide out. It's very easy to get out. You want to put it back in, you align the little pin here, pull down, and then it kind of just snaps back in. A lot easier than the Versa 2, if you happen to know what that's like. So I'm pretty happy with the ability to change the bands. Seems like it's an okay charging method. Charger is okay. Yet another charger though to add to your collection. And let's see what it looks like on. So pretty easy to put on. I do like this lunar white color. So yeah, if you're looking for a Fitbit with a long battery life, I highly recommend the Inspire 2 if you like this slim fitness tracker and you don't care about smartwatch, GPS, all that kind of stuff. This is a good, probably one of the best fitness trackers, this in the Charge 4. So if you liked this unboxing video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up below. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want more Fitbit Inspire 2 videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And I just noticed there is actually a little indentation on this bag here. So I wouldn't have needed scissors, just FYI.